Hey guys, my name is Courtney. I am back with another video for 2019. Yes, this is the first video of 2019. It has been a long time coming. I don't know if you've all heard of this saying, it's the start that makes you stop. When you feel like you don't have everything together, which you're never going to have everything together, it's never going to be a perfect time. I kept stopping. Like, I knew what I wanted to do, but I kept stopping. So this year I have promised myself to make a conscious effort to be consistent and to not let the start make me stop. Everybody needs to create a vision board. So guys, without further ado, let me show you how I created my vision board. Okay, so step one, write the vision and make it plain. And in this case, we are going to write the vision, make it plain, and then we're going to also cut the pictures that match the vision. Pick your categories that you wanted to hit, like topics such as health and fitness, family, relationships, businesses, career development, finances, for example, debt-free living or debt-free life, relationships, marriage, ring, proposal, family, quality time, family trips, family reunions, businesses, fashion design. You want your own clothing line, put that on there. The next thing is to have the basic stuff. Glue sticks, scissors, and last but not least, you gotta have your magazines. Your poster board. Step 3, put it somewhere where you can see it. What is the point of creating a vision board if you cannot see it? One of the things about having a vision board is not just creating it, but you also have to see it. So for me, I place my vision board over my ironing board because I go in there and iron my clothes every day for work. So that's an option. You need to put it somewhere where you're gonna see it every single day. A laundry room is a perfect example. Step 4, this is the final step, and I think a lot of people omit this step, but pray, pray, pray over your vision board. Faith without works is dead. So although you put something on there, you actually gotta work for it. Okay guys, so here's a couple of magazines. You have Vogue, you have Brides, you have Forbes and Preview. I don't even know where this magazine came from, but it looks like a traveling magazine. So this is a variety of magazines that I'm actually going to use in my vision board because I'm sure Vogue has fashion, it has all kinds of stuff, design, Brides, you want to get married, create your perfect venue, Forbes, Preview. So the only one I'm missing is like a House Beautiful or some kind of design for homes, but I probably have it in the stack. But these are just a couple of variety that I'm sharing with you guys, so you can touch on a couple of different things and topics that you want to include inside of your vision board. See you next time.